Discrimination, overt racism, systemic racism, privilege. What do these terms mean? What's the difference between them? This video provides easy to understand explanations that can help promote meaningful dialogue about these important concepts. Imagine that there is a race with 3 runners. The rules of the race are simple. Rule number 1, whoever crosses the finish line first is the winner. And rule number 2, green people cannot race. This is an example of discrimination, which is openly treating people unequally or harmfully because of unchangeable characteristics that they have, such as race, religion, national origin, gender, age, ability, sexual orientation, or gender identity. So what is overt racism? Overt racism is openly unfair or unequal treatment of people based on their race. Now let's imagine that it's a few years later. They're still running the race, but they have removed the racist rule. That sounds like equality because anyone can join the race. However, they have a new tradition where they do a staggered start, and the most senior team gets to pick their starting point. This automatically disadvantages the green team. They can never have more seniority than the blue team because of the old rule. With a lot of luck and very fast speed, the green runner might beat the other 2 runners and win the race. But if all 3 run equally fast, the blue runner will always win. That is systemic racism, which means the historical or structural inequalities of a society exclude or disadvantage one racial group. What then is privilege? Imagine that all 3 run at the same speed. The blue runner crosses the finish line first. Privilege is the blue runner shouting, "I am the fastest," without even recognizing that the blue team had the shortest distance to run. That lack of recognition that societal structures and rules benefit one's own group is what we mean by privilege. So how can we fix this? We can admit that inequalities still exist. We can give a head start to the disadvantaged groups so they can close the distance and have a more equal chance at winning. That's called equity. We can work to eliminate disadvantages altogether. And that's called fairness. And that's what we want.